If you work in digital marketing, you're probably familiar with SEO. This marketing technique allows you to show up in the top search results naturally, without spending a single dollar. But it takes time and more effort than you may think. To make your job easier, in this video we will focus on the top trends for SEO in 2023, from online shopping to the latest AI features. There are tons of variables that can affect your SEO, like voice, image, video, and searches, complex queries, artificial intelligence, new channels and platforms, and so on. It can be a lot. If you're not familiar with SEO, we have a separate video dedicated to what it is and how it works. You can check it out here to get a better understanding. But now, let's jump right into the 2023 SEO trends. One, online shopping. Google is focusing on improving online shopping experiences. So they have introduced Shopping Graph, an AI-based function that allows sellers to get more visibility for their products and helps shoppers find the products they are looking for. Shopping Graph uses AI to take into account details like price, website, reviews, videos, and inventory data to show relevant products in real time. To take full advantage of this SEO trend, we recommend including relevant keywords in your product listings and in the alt text of your images. This will help Google rank your products correctly and display them in web searches. 2. Conversational queries. Google is working to understand the complexities of natural language to deliver more efficient results. Keep the following in mind when designing conversational queries for your product. Optimize for phrases, not keywords. For example, instead of best running shoes, the voice search would be something like, what are the best running shoes? Create short answers to users' most frequent questions. Try to answer the question in the first few sentences and go into detail later. Keep in mind regional differences. For example, Coca-Cola may be called pop in the Midwest and West United States, and soda in the East Coast, California, and Florida. 3. Clip markup and seek markup to improve video positioning. Did you know that more than half of consumers use videos in their purchasing decisions? Moreover, users spend 88% more time on pages that contain videos. It's clear that video marketing is still trending in 2023, so see how you can integrate it into your SEO strategy. There are 2 features that Google launched that you can't miss. Clip markup. This technique allows you to highlight the key points of your videos so that users can go directly to them. For example, if you have a video that contains a series of tips, you can mark the beginning of each tip. Seek markup. This feature tells Google how your URL structure works, so Google can show key moments in your video and link to specific points. With seek markup, you do not choose the key moments. They are selected automatically. 4. Increased traffic through image searches. In today's highly visual digital landscape, it is important to optimize not only the text, but also the images on your website for better SEO. For instance, imagine you are a fashion retailer and want to optimize your website for better search engine visibility. You can start by using high-quality images of your products with a relevant file name and descriptive alt tags. A relevant file name can be the name of the product or a keyword that best describes it, and an alt tag is a short description of the image that helps search engines understand what the image is about. This can be achieved by using relevant keywords that describe the image in a concise, accurate way. By doing this, you increase the chances of your images appearing in image searches, which can bring more traffic to your website. You can also include images in your social media posts and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your site. By optimizing your images, you can enhance your website's SEO and improve your overall digital marketing efforts. 5. Queries based on complex questions. To simplify the search process, Google has implemented Multitask Unified Model, MUM, an AI process that helps users find the information they are looking for with fewer steps. Keep in mind that in order to solve complex tasks, users perform an average of 8 Google searches. For example, if someone is planning a trip, they may search for cheap flights to the Caribbean, best hotels on Caribbean beaches, tips to visit the Caribbean, etc. For content creators, this means we need to focus on answering audience questions in one place and make our content as comprehensive as possible. 6. Focus on core web vitals. Google considers page speed to be more important than ever And core web vitals are a series of metrics that measure the loading speed of your pages from the user's point of view. To optimize these metrics, use Google PageSpeed Insights. Here you can see the most important core web vitals and get ideas on how to improve the performance of your site. Regular analysis and adaptation of your content will ultimately improve your SEO. 7. Being in position 1 is no longer the most important thing in SEO. Being in first position is no longer the most important thing to get clicks. Instead, focus on the click-through rate, or CTR, of your page in search results. Experiment with different titles and meta descriptions. Complement your SEO strategy with SEM, use rich data, and create different types of content. Here's a few tips to improve your CTR. Experiment with different titles and meta descriptions for your page and compare the results with each other. Complement your SEO strategy with SEM to gain access to more placements within search results. Use rich data to make your results more space-consuming and attractive. Create different types of content, including images and videos. 8. Passage indexing. While being in the first position is not as important anymore, you should aim to obtain a featured snippet, or position 0. The mechanism which decides to display a fragment of a page as a featured snippet is called passage indexing, or passage ranking. The factors it takes into account include relevance. Search engines prioritize content that is highly relevant to the user's query, as this is more likely to provide an accurate answer to their question. Length. Snippets tend to feature longer content, as it is more likely to provide comprehensive information on the topic. Tags. Structuring the content with tags can help search engines better understand the hierarchy of the page and identify the most relevant sections. Images. Including images in your content can provide additional visual context and make it more engaging to users, which can increase the chances of it being featured in a snippet. Structured data. This is additional information that website owners can provide search engines to help them better understand the content and its relevance to user queries. By using structured data, website owners can improve their chances of being featured in a snippet. 9. Google News and Google Discover as new traffic sources. Google Discover is a feed that shows personalized content to users. It is a relatively new service, but it has become popular very quickly and already reaches 800 million users. As the name suggests, Google News is a platform that showcases news content. We don't actually know what the Google algorithm is, but we do know that it's based on the quality of the content and its relevance to particular users. Try to use high-resolution images that are at least 1200 pixels, include semantic keywords, and tailor content to your buyer persona. 10. Google E.A.T. E.A.T. stands for Experience, Authority, and Trustworthiness. Let's take a look at each of them in a little more detail. Experience. The content has been created by an expert in the field, with a high level of knowledge or relevant skills. Authority. The more authority a website has around a topic, the better its content will be positioned on that topic. Authority is measured by factors such as incoming links to a website, years of activity, and belonging to an official organization. Trustworthiness. This factor evaluates the legitimacy, transparency, and accuracy of a site and its content. It takes into account the sources of information used to create the content, the website contact information, and information on who the authors are, among others. Considering that Google employs more than 10,000 people to evaluate the quality of web pages worldwide, you might want to take Google E.A.T. into account. 11. Focusing on search intent. The algorithms used by Google to evaluate search requests are getting more and more sophisticated. Now, the results shown depend greatly on semantics, search intent, and related terms. This means that we must get past the outdated SEO strategies that were centered on compiling a list of keywords and using them as frequently as feasible in our texts. Instead of starting with a list of keywords, we advise you to think about what would motivate the buyer persona you want to target with your content to make a search. Use phrases and keywords that are semantically linked while writing responses to their inquiries. 12. SEO on Amazon. 66% of buyers start searching for new products on Amazon, so it has become an essential platform for brands that sell products online. SEO on Amazon focuses almost exclusively on purchase intent, leaving aside informational queries. To optimize your products to rank on Amazon's listings, keep these recommendations in mind. Optimize your content with high-quality product images and copy. Optimize your product listing keywords by including all relevant search terms. Manage user reviews of your products and resolve any issues that may arise. Complement your SEO with pay-per-click campaigns on Amazon to get faster results. 13. Local SEO and Google's business profile. Local search is still a top SEO trend in 2023, especially if your company offers services to local customers. To improve your ranking among Google's local search results, here are 2 key tips. Create and update your Google My Business profile. This free Google tool allows you to create a listing for your business that displays on Google Maps, making it easy for customers to find you. Use keywords specific to your location. That is, add the name of cities, areas, and neighborhoods to the general keywords you are using. 14. AI and SEO. When it comes to web browsing, artificial intelligence is becoming more and more significant. It features in Google's most recent algorithms, including RankBrain and BERT, to produce more pertinent results. AI is a very effective ally for marketers who want to improve SEO. There are now technologies available on the market that enable you to use AI to optimize keyword research or content development. And there will be a lot more in the future. Search is more sophisticated than it has ever been. Therefore, we need to concentrate on providing great information and understanding the true demands of our target audience. Make sure to check out our SEO ebook on 50 strategies to launch your product. We hope this video provided a comprehensive overview of SEO trends in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on inbound and digital marketing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.